So, but mainly the sciatica on your leg is being messed up by this bones right here.
Yeah, well, I see. But I experienced it last year, really bad.
Very nice. You breathe in and breathe out, and just relax your shoulders here. Okay, relax your shoulders. Oh. Very nice. Relax your shoulders right here, nice and easy, good. Woo.
Oh my gosh.
How's that, William?
That's good.
You're not gonna fall in. Breathe normal. Don't hold your breath. Relax your neck, nice and easy. Good. Very good. Normal. Don't hold your breath. If you hold your breath, you're gonna feel like a rock, you know. So. Woo.
That's funny.
How was that?
That's funny.
Relax your shoulder and breathe in for me. Breathe in, breathe out. All the way out. Nice. Good. Ah. One more. And out. Nice. Get rid of the headache, huh?
Yeah,
Right. You know, I don't like headaches. I get headaches too, but I don't like it for my patients, you know.
Ah! Oh God, you got me there. Oh shit. That big crack everywhere.
See?
Oh God.
And just relax it.
Oh God damn. Oh. Oh shit, I don't want to see it anymore. Oh God.
See how badly you needed that one, huh?
Yes.
Alright. So have you lift your head up. Alright, relax your neck for me.
What is this?
This is one right here. Decompresses not only your neck, but also your whole spine, okay? Remember, we don't want those nerves to be irritated, giving you sciatica.
Oh, I see.
Giving you headaches, giving you muscle pain. And nice and easy. It's just a pull like this, but at the end it's like a boom, like that, okay? Alright? Let's have you breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Nice and easy. Good. How's that?
That was good. Oh my God. I felt better. I see it's clear my mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, I felt it.
Yeah. That's what we need. I feel
Better.
Yeah.
Yeah, much better. Thank you so much.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, it feels better.
Should have been here last year. Right?
Yeah, when I broke my wrist 3 years ago, I didn't come see you. I should have come.
Yeah.
They gave me the approval anyway.
Yeah.
Time and I messed up my scenario. Never had that experience pain in my really bad, like a pain, like a burning pain here, like from my back to my.
Oh, you gotta check your alignment all the time. Okay, I'm here for you.